Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this beautiful, because it is beautiful, this wooden typewriter style wooden mechanical keyboard that this brand sent to me for this video. This is just so nice. And of course, I'm going to show it to you in a close up in a few seconds. But the bottom line is that this one is kind of like an old school typewriter, and the wooden feel and the wooden sense it has, it pairs nothing with how modern this one is. And I'm saying that because this one, you have a Bluetooth connectivity, USB-C to USB-A connectivity as well. And you can even pair with 3 different devices. So you can have it on your computer and your laptop and via Bluetooth to your laptop, to the tablet and your phone, for example, and things like that. So that's actually quite good, because you can use this one for multiple things. The other good thing about this one is that 83% mechanical and also compact, but also comes with blue switches. So the clicky noise, if you like the clicky noise and having kind of like that typewriter feel or something like that, this one is going to be really good for that. My microphone is over here. That's why I'm holding it right there. It also comes with a few of the blue switches, and you can hot swap the band as well. And it has knobs right here on the left and right that I'm going to show you why these are good. So let's connect it to my computer so you can see better with some of the lights as well and some of the features. So check this out. We have it plugged in right now. You can use it with a dongle. You can use it with Windows computers and Mac computers. I'm using the cable right now because I was testing it yesterday and I forgot to charge it. So remember just that you can use it Bluetooth mode and also dongle mode and also the cable mode. This way, this kind of like really nice backlit. It is so nice. But not only that, check this out. Number one, you can use this one over here just to put your tablet or your phone. So since you can actually connect it via Bluetooth to your phone, you will be able to switch the mode and just making sure that you can use this on your computer, but also with your phone as well. So that is really good. And if you were wondering about the lights, check this out. This is so good. And then you have kind of like this modes over here, and you can keep switching the modes kind of like with the backlit, and this having like the pulse one or the different colors. But I do like the one that keeps on all the time. The knob right here on the left is going to be for the brightness, so you can kind of like switch the brightness on and dim it if you want, or just like turn it off at all. And then this one right here, it has 2 functions. This is going to be for the volume, so you can put the volume up and down, and also mute as well. So that is really good to have. And of course, the keycaps, which you can replace, which you can hot swap, it has this clicky sound, which I think it's really nice. But of course, more than anything, the typewriter wooden feel with the support on the back, the wooden feel, compact, Bluetooth, wireless, cable, Windows, Mac, and you can keep switching the colors, which I think it is super nice to have. I love this keyboard. I think maybe it's gonna be my new keyboard. I don't know yet, not decided, but it looks fantastic and it works great.